Exercise 4.3. In this exercise we shall discuss the graphical representation of linear equations in two variables. The graph of a linear equation is its geometrical representation on a coordinate plane. To draw the graph of a linear equation in two variables, we first write a few solutions in the form of a table by writing the values of y just below the corresponding values of x. For example, if you have a linear equation 2x plus y is equal to 4 and you have to draw its graph, then first write this linear equation in the form y equal to 4 minus 2x. In this form we write given linear equation in two variables for easy writing of few solutions of the linear equations. Then we write few solutions of this given linear equation in a table like this. So we have written few solutions of this linear equation 0, 4, 2, 0, 1, 2, minus 1 and 6. So these are the solutions of this given linear equations. Then we plot these points 0, 4, 2, 0, 1, 2 and minus 1, 6 on a coordinate plane and join any of the 2 points and find a straight line. Like this we have plotted these 4 points 0, 4, 2, 0, 1, 2 and minus 1, 6 on this coordinate plane 0, 4 here, 2, 0 here, 1, 2 here and minus 1, 6 here, and we have joined 2 points 2, 0 and 0, 4 and drawn a straight line. This straight line is graph of the linear equation 2x plus y equal to 4. From this coordinate plane and this graph we observe that other 2 points 1, 2 and minus 1, 6 they also lie on the graph of this linear equation, because this straight line we joined only 2 points 2, 0 and 0, 4. Other 2 solutions 1, 2 and minus 1, 6 they also lie on the same straight line which is graph of the linear equation. These 4 are solutions of this given linear equations and they all are lying on the graph of this linear equation 2x plus y equal to 4. Now let us consider a point on this graph of the linear equation. Let us say this point 3, 2, 3, minus 2, 3, minus 2. So this is a point on the graph of the linear equation 2x plus y equal to 4. Now we have to verify whether this point which is lying on the graph is solution of this equation or not. 3, minus 2 is a solution of this linear equation 2x plus y equal to 4 or not. So let's put this point 3 in place of x and minus 2 in place of y in this linear equation. So 2 into 3 plus minus 2, 6 minus 2 equal to 4 and right side is already 4. So it means this equation is satisfied 2x plus y equal to 4 by this point 3, minus 2 which lies on the graph of the linear equation. So we can say that this point 3, minus 2 which lies on the graph of this linear equation 2x plus y equal to 4 is a solution of this linear equation. Similarly, if we consider some other points on this graph of the linear equation, they will also be solutions of this linear equation 2x plus y equal to 4. So we can say that all infinitely many points lying on this graph will be solutions of this given linear equation 2x plus y equal to 4. Now let us consider a solution of this linear equation, say 4 comma minus 4. 4 comma minus 4 is a solution of this linear equation because 2 into 4 plus minus 4 is equal to 4, that is 8 minus 4 equal to 4. So 4 equal to 4, that means this solution of 4 comma minus 4 satisfies this linear equation. So it is a solution of this linear equation. So what we are doing here, we are considering a solution 4 comma minus 4 of this given linear equation. Now we have to check whether this point 4 comma minus 4 lies on the graph of the equation or not. So let us plot this point 4 comma minus 4 on the same coordinate plane. So x equal to 4 here, y equal to minus 4 here. So this point 4 comma minus 4 lies on the graph of this linear equation 2x plus y equal to 4. So in this case what we did, we took one solution 4 comma minus 4 of this linear equation 2x plus y equal to 4 and checked that this solution, which is at randomly chosen solution of this linear equation, also lies on the graph of this linear equation. So on the basis of this we can say that all other solutions of this linear equation will also lie on the graph of this linear equation. Hence finally we conclude that all infinitely many points lying on the graph of a linear equation are solutions of the linear equation, and also all infinitely many solutions of a linear equation in two variables always lie on the graph of this linear equation. So if a point is a solution of a linear equation, surely it will lie on its graph, and if a point lies on the graph of a linear equation, surely it will be a solution of the linear equation.